relationships is one of the components of emotional intelligence. What is handling relationships? When you are living or trying to live with another person who is raised in a different household with different set of values than yours, it is important for you to learn how to handle the relationships, because the person who is living with you, this person comes with a different character, different attitude, different way of thinking, and you are totally different. So in order to handle relationship, it's always important for you to slow down and understand what is happening. Most of the time there are relationship problems because we have expectations. If we have unfulfilled expectations, we try to get angry, we throw tantrums and do all sort of things. So let's make communication your choice. Just sit down, lay out what do you expect from each other. Even in the organization setting, if you want to create that leadership synergy, you have to understand, you have to clearly write out what are the expectations. And if you follow the empathy and understanding other people's emotions, it will be easier for you to manage.